Too bad. There's one thing we didn't do today.
And what thing might that be?
Nothing.
Christopher Robin, what exactly is doing nothing?
It's when people say, "What are you two doing?" And we say, "Oh, nothing." And we do it. This is sort of a nothing thing we're doing right now. I wish it could last forever.
Well, then we must do it again tomorrow, and the tomorrow after, and the tomorrow following that.
What if there came a tomorrow when we were apart?
As long as we're apart together, we shall certainly be fine.
I'll always be with you.